things that I've done for him, which I would really want to see his reaction, and you guys should too. So stay tuned to find out what kind of surprise I have for him, okay? So the thing about today is my boyfriend didn't know that I actually planned with a few of his friends, his close friends, his birthday surprise at a karaoke, and he'll be hiding there while he thinks the whole day he'll forget about his birthday. Hello, birthday boy. How are you feeling?
I'm good.
Excited?
Yes.
Okay, we shall go to the first surprise soon.
Where?
I will tell you. How to know the location, I'm going to just key into your phone and you just follow. You will not know the place until you reach there.
Okay.
He's driving aimlessly. You have no idea where.
I have no idea where.
And that's the interesting part.
Clueless, excited, you know.
Basically, it can be on top of a hill. It can be in a club. It can be in a room. So, what do you think?
Yeah, still surprised.
So we are on the way to the dinner place, and my boyfriend here, he is just blindly following the ways that I keyed in. He have no idea where it is, and you guys shall see where it is. Hope he likes it. Do you like it? There are more surprises to come. Stay tuned.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame.
That is the first surprise.
I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same.
So now we are going for our fourth surprise, and this guy, he don't know what is it I'm gonna give him. He's just gonna see the shape and size of it. So guys, so basically my boyfriend's birthday, and this is the fifth surprise, and I'm going to show him how the present gonna look like. He can see how it's gonna look like, but he don't know what is in it. So I'm gonna show you. It's really, really huge. See how big my hand is? It's that huge. And of course, not forget the last one. Just gonna put it here. And voila. Guys, before I forget, I need to put this in too. Now the gift is complete. Now the gift is complete. Let's see. This gift. Big, right? So I'm basically going to bring this down and see how it's going to react. Wait. Yeah.
My truck is there.
Yeah. So this is the gift.
What about Simba inside?
Is it heavy?
To me, it's okay. To me, it's okay. Quite.
So are you surprised?
Yes. The surprise can't wait to open it.
Huh?
No, this one just let it lie down.
No, we need to bring it to the place, the other place already. Basically, both also birthday gift. He's surprised by the weight. I think the map blindly again because I don't want him to know where are we going, and he can only open his gift there. And the best part is now he can see what are the sizes of the gift, but he have no idea what are the contents inside. Are you surprised? Are you curious to know more? Stay tuned. So he's still having a hard time thinking where it could be. He's thinking, is it in the middle of the road? Where is
We
it?
arrive.
So he finally realized it's karaoke. And that's the thing we haven't did together as a couple. And he have a hard time thinking what it is. I think he got a shock of his life.
Yes, I do. I do shock of my life. I thought, what surprise? I thought open present middle of the road.
Okay, walk.
You're supposed to hold my hand, right?
Oh yeah. I walk on your, okay, like this. Okay. I continue walking.
You need to tell me whether got stairs or no stairs.
Under reception, huh?
What now?
You just stand there. They are finding a good spot for you to sit down.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Lawrence. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks, man.
You just stand there. They are finding a good spot for you to sit down.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. No wonder you need my GoPro lah. Okay.
Okay, wait the mic. With the mic.
It's over. With you. With you, I always feel different. With you, I didn't know I have feeling for me intentionally. With you, I know I can depend on. With you, I know I can trust.
Louder.
With you, I from love by no one to be loved. With you, everything else doesn't matter. With you, just the thought of you make me smile. Just the way that you are mine. With you, by your actions from not being my type, into totally being my one and only type. With you, my happiness persists through ups and downs as your love, as your dad. With you, nothing else matters, as I choose you over and over again.
So sweet. Someone's gonna nap tonight.
Thank you, love.
Colorful means you make my life colorful like a bread.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Only that lah. Eh no,
Open lah bro.
How many bread you got? Okay lah, this Tuesday you eat bread lah.
What is this ah? Bread ah?
Yeah, lah, great.
Serious ah? Wow.
You really get that bracelet. You really get that bracelet.
Talk in front of the mic.
I know why it's a bracelet.
Everything is different. This one,
It's a necklace.
yes, this one is my name, but in another language lah. Ayo, kita like okay,
Oh.
okay. Ah, you want to
It's a sign.
Huh?
What sign you want it?
No, it's a symbol.
Well, only both of you know what it is.
No, it's
It's her
my name.
It's a name.
So you're gonna carry her name throughout. Wow, that's sweet.
No, but basically no one knows lah. Unless you tell, because like I mean, you go and see, you will not know like.
Okay. Oh.
Sam should know, Sam. Sam.
Okay. It's an Egyptian language lah.
It's an Egyptian language.
Whatever it is, you're gonna carry her.
Always. Wear it.
Hey, you.
Huh? Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you.
希望什么？
It's heavy.
Yeah. Because you lost a sticker the last time, right? 喂，唔知得咁重啊！
Wow.
This one is the biggest one.
Ah, the biggest one. You like big one?
Okay, come on.
Okay.
Chef is here.
Like this. Whoa.
No, this one to put your watch.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, the watch collection.
Wow, that's so sweet. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, now you should have a kiss.
No, that's Mingzi.
Your token of appreciation.
Yeah, that's me.
Love it. Come on.
Yeah.
You know she deserves it.
Yes.
Jangan lupa, besok dia makan bread. Murah breakfast.
Okay, come on.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at